there, this is Judy DiLorenzo from A Life Well Planted. In this video I demonstrate how I make my super delicious oil-free crunchy kale chips. You start by washing the leaves, shake off the water, then dry the leaves between 2 towels. You want them really dry. Remove the center stems and tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Place in a preheated air fryer basket. You can fill it almost 3/4 full. You want to cook them at 325 for 1.5 minutes. Then you'll shake. Cook for another 1.5 minutes. That's it. 3 minutes, believe it or not. So much faster than in the oven. You'll know that they're ready when you hear the kale bouncing around inside the basket. And look at that. So delicious. I like to make a spice blend with cumin, salt, paprika, and garlic powder. Liberally sprinkle it on and enjoy. The crunch says it all.